Goudy, checking in. Oh man, roller coaster ride on the weather. It warmed up enough for me to get out, catch a few fish through the ice. I was blessed. I'm going to have me some fried bluegill. Yeah, I just love them with the bone in. I do. I just like to have that from time to time. And I like the fillets too, but this is, I don't know. It reminds me of my grandpa, I guess. He's the one that taught me how to do it like this. So I'm doing a little different with the coating. I'm not using the 3-2-1 coating like I normally would do, but I'm using that red meal coating that I used on that deer. That with some garlic powder and some Lowry's. I'm hoping, it sure smells good. I'm hoping it's going to be good. So. I got a package in the mail. Campmaid didn't forget about me. And they sent me some sauces and some spices. I'm anxious. Oh, am I anxious to give this a try. Especially that wing sauce. That really looks good. That'll be an up and coming video, I'm sure. But this weather's got to get straightened around. Right now we're getting freezing rain outside. And it's dropping. Temperature's dropping, and so we went from in the 40s to in the 20s in just a matter of a half hour. It just, I mean, the bottom just dropped out. They're closed and everything. That makes it tough. It really does make it tough to get things done outside. It sure does. Okay, let's get to cooking, shall we? Look at the goodness. I'm not going to bring you along for a while I chow down on these. Oh, look at that. I'm going to have a tossed salad, yeah, with blue cheese dressing, and my favorite. I will show you one thing though. Will you look at that, huh? Look. Oh, have a little tail. It's hot, and that's good. I want to thank you for watching. It does a guy good. It sure does. Thank you so much. Bill Goudy out.